Now that you've located the microform you'd like to use, how do you use it? There are two locations you can access Microform in Bata Library. Please refrain from consuming food or drink while utilizing Microform at either. The first location is in the same study area where the gray and orange filing cabinets of microfilm are located. This machine, across from the public presentation practice room, is called a Microform reader, and it can only be used for viewing. To load your microform, first pull out the tray so the glass cover is slightly lifted. All microfilm reels have a central square hole. These match up with this peg on the machine. When you've properly attached the reel, you should hear it snap into place. The film feeds under the white peg and then under the glass panel until it comes out to the other side. It then goes under the second white peg and slides into the catch reel. You can turn the black dial a few times to make sure the film is properly loaded. When your film is loaded, this switch can be flipped up in order to turn on the film movement controls. This panel is used to scroll through film. You can go forwards and backwards following the arrow buttons, red for fast and gray for slow. Loading microfiche is much simpler. You'll just slide the fiche under the glass panel on the tray and close it. You might also shift the tray around to better center your microform on the camera and display screen. This can be done with either fiche or film. To turn on the main machine, flip the switch on the right-hand side. You'll know it's working if the light turns on and images pop up on the display screen. Now let's go over some basic controls on the main machine. These two dials inform the camera's quality. The blue one controls zoom, and the gray controls focus. This knob can rotate the image displayed on the screen. Great! You're all set for viewing.